Hi guys, thank you so much to all my viewers and subscribers. Thank you for your time spending to my YouTube videos. In this video guys, I will help my cow give birth to a baby calf being born. Manganganak itong baka ko guys, so nagkataon na umaga ito, so bigyan akong pagkataon na matulungan ko siya. It's good that during this time my cow giving born to baby calf in the morning, so I can help her to give birth to the calf. Ganito guys, tinulungan ko siya. To all the expert of this guys, this is only based on my experience. This is the third time that I will help my cow giving birth, because there are times that during dawn, during night time, and then we wake up, the baby calf is already walking. So that is why it's better today that I can help my cow. Ganito guys, nabigyan tayo ng pagkakataon na makatulong sa baka ko. If you like this video guys, I hope guys that everyone who like my videos in YouTube channel Grasscutter Pinoy TV, I hope that you will subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much to all viewers and subscribers for spending your time. It's a very big help for us. A single subscriber guys, you know, I'm very happy for that. So thank you so much to all of you that you will subscribe on my YouTube channel. Malapit na siyang lakad guys. I will show you until he will walk already. Ganito guys, kapag bago pa madapa na naman. So this is how baby calf, the newborn. This is female guys, female baby calf. Okay guys. Guys, this video is today. This baby calf was born yesterday, so after 24 hours, this is how bigo. Ganito na siya guys. Malakas na.